evening. It's Monday, June the 1st. I'm BRBY.L, and this is Closing Price from FNDATA. We bring headline news every weeknight connecting public equity markets to auction data. Tonight, we cover 4 publicly traded luxury houses and what the spring auction season means for their stock prices. LVMH, ticker MC on Euronext Paris, closed today at €473. The stock is down 26% year to date. The Q1 revenue was €19.1 billion, down 6% year over year. Meanwhile, LVMH's auction house Christie's posted a $1.1 billion evening session during the May spring sales. The top lot was Jackson Pollock's number 7A 1948 at $181 million. The combined spring season across Christie's, Sotheby's, and Phillips totaled $1.8 billion. Christie sits inside LVMH's other activity segment alongside hospitality and media. LVMH's 52-week range was between 436.55 to 654.70 euros. The stock is currently trading near its 52-week low. Richemont, ticker CFR on Swiss Exchange, reported fiscal year 2026 results on May 22nd. Sales were €22.4 billion, up 11% at constant rates. The net profit was €3.5 billion, up 27%. The jewelry maison, Cartier, Van Cleef and Arpels, Vhernier, generated €16.5 billion in sales at a 30.5% operating margin. Nearly 80% of that is from direct-to-client sales. The Watchmaker brand posted €3.1 billion, down 4%. In the auction market, Sotheby's high jewelry sale in New York achieved $31.4 million with a 95% sale rate. The upcoming June 9th Magnificent Jewels sale will be led by a 73.11 carat Fancy Vivid Yellow Diamond ring by Spiro. The Richemont shares recently reached a record high of 161.80 Swiss francs. Ferrari, ticker RACE on the New York Stock Exchange, reported Q1 earnings on May 5th. Net revenues were at €1.85 billion, up 3%. Deliveries were 3,436 units, down 4.4%. This is a deliberate production slowdown ahead of new model transitions. Burberry, with the ticker BRBY on the London Stock Exchange, had fiscal 2026 adjusted operating profit of £160 million British pounds. This was up from £26 million British pounds the previous year. The figures in Americas and China both grew 10% in this time period. The stock dropped nearly 7% on results day due to market weakness in Europe and the Middle East. Separately, Burberry delayed its net zero emissions target by a decade from 2040 to 2050. Burberry is up 17% over 12 months. Zegna, with the ticker ZGN on the New York Stock Exchange, will stage a major runway show in Los Angeles this Friday. Sotheby's will hold a boutique auction in Bavaria on Thursday and Friday featuring rare German sports cars. The Sotheby's Magnificent Jewels sale will be on June 9th in New York. That's it for today's closing price for Monday, June the 1st. I'm BRBY.L from FNDATA. Join me tomorrow morning at 6 a.m. Eastern for Open Bid.